Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Marsha, and in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how you can get $10,000 for free. If you're a small business, if you're self-employed, or if you have employees, or if you 1099 other people, you might be eligible to get $10,000 for free, up to $10 million to cover business expenses only, such as payroll and business equipment and etc. So the SBA on their website, sba.gov, had an old form for this economic injury disaster loan, and that form was a bit more tedious, and they did ask for a lot more information. But on Sunday, March 29th, they released a new form on their website, and this new form is way more easier to do, and it literally took me like 10 minutes to do. There are over 30 million small businesses in the United States, and Congress only allocated for about 1 million of these small businesses to get the free $10,000 grant. They're giving this grant on a first-come, first-served basis, so if you're a small business owner, independent contractor, or self-employed, you'd better apply now. So just to clear things up, yes, you are going to be applying for a loan. However, this loan is going to be completely forgivable. And the $10,000 grant is free whether you get approved for the loan or not. Anything above the $10,000 you receive is going to be considered as a loan with a max interest rate of about 4% and a term of, I believe, 10 years. But you don't have to make payments for the first year, and after the first year, the stimulus bill itself says that these loans are completely forgivable. The reason why these loans are considered forgivable and not completely free is because they really want you to use these funds for business expenses only and not for you to use in some, your personal vacation or something. Whether or not you get approved for this loan, you can still get that $10,000 grant. Okay, and it is on a first-come, first-served basis. So if you're watching this and you're a small business, independent contractor, self-employed, just apply it. Just apply right now because it really wouldn't hurt. I'm gonna take you guys over to the SBA website and walk you guys through the whole application just so you guys can see how quick and easy it is to do this thing. Okay, so let's get on to this. Okay, so I am going to go to the SBA website right now. Economic Injury Disaster Loan, click here. You click there. Okay, and now we're here on the application form. Okay, look, if you see over here, it says this entire application is going to take you 2 hours and 10 minutes. It's literally going to take you like 10 minutes, I swear. Eligible entity verification. So applicant is a business with no more than 500 employees. Applicant is an individual who operates under a sole proprietorship with or without employees, or is an independent contractor. If you have an LLC or an S corp, then you're going to choose the first one. If you are an independent contractor or a sole proprietor with or without employees, you're going to choose the second one. So I'm going to choose the second one over here, and I'm not really sure what the rest of these are because I'm not familiar with them, but let's move on to the next one. Preview and check all of the following. Applicant is not engaged in illegal activity. Yeah. No principal of the applicant is a delinquent on child support obligation. No. Not an agricultural enterprise. Okay, so I'm just gonna click all of these boxes, make sure you read them through and verify these. And I'm gonna click continue, and this is the business information. So business legal name, I'm gonna put Marsha Work, and trade name is your trade name can be your DBA. If you do not have a DBA, just put your business name or whatever, I'm just gonna use Marsha Burke because why not? And EIN is basically a social security for your business. Okay, if you do not have a legal business name, then just put down your social security number. If you do, put down your EIN. Okay, I'm just gonna put This is an organization type. You could, if you're a limited liability company, choose that. Sole proprietor, S Corp, C Corp. I'm just gonna choose independent. Is the applicant a nonprofit organization? No. Franchise? No. So gross revenue for the 12th month prior to the date of disaster, January 31st, 2020. So in this part, you're just gonna put down your gross revenue for the 12 months before this happened. So let's just put 1 million. Okay. Cost of goods sold for the 12 months prior. Okay, 500. Now these are just fake numbers that I'm putting in here just for the sake of this video, but if you don't know the exact number for these, just put down an estimate. Okay, rental properties, residential and commercial only, lost rents due to the disaster. Now, if you have lost rent due to this disaster, you can put down that amount, but only the ones with the red star next to them really have to be filled out, and the other ones are optional, so we're just gonna move past these. Primary business address, you're gonna have to put down your business address. Okay, put down your phone number. Okay, business email, put down your business email. Okay, and the date your business was established. You might want to go back and see when your business was established so you can fill this out. So let's see. You're going to choose your business activity. You're going to put down your business activity, and then detailed business activity. You could just put, just going to put none of the below, and number of employees as of January 31st, 2020. Now, as far as what to put down for the number of employees, if you're a business owner, you generally put yourself as an employee, maybe your spouse, or anybody else that helps you as an employee. Now, also think about the people that you 1099. These are actually also employees or people who help you that you pay. And just add all those in there, okay? So now we're on the next page, which is business owner's information. The first one is your business owned by a business entity? So I'm gonna put no in here because this is asking if your business is owned by another business entity, which I believe in most cases for you is no as well, but I might be wrong. So owner's first name. And then your title, I'm just gonna put owner, ownership percentage, 100. I'm gonna put down my email, your birth date. Okay, place of birth, I'm gonna put Uzbekistan. I'm not a US citizen, so if you're a US citizen, put yes. If not, then no. Residential street address, click next. And this is additional information. In the past year, has the business or licensed owner been convicted of a criminal offense? No, no, and no. Okay. If anyone assisted you in completing this application, whether you pay a fee for the service or not, the person must enter their information below. Okay, I completed this myself, so I'm gonna put no. Now, please do not put my name over here. I'm just some girl on YouTube who's giving you some juicy information. I do not, I'm not qualified to help you fill this out, so yeah. Okay, so now this is where it gets real juicy up in here. I would like to be considered for an advance up to $10,000. Click that box, okay? Click that box right there, and then below it, it's gonna say where to send funds. So you're gonna put your bank name, your account number, and routing number. Make sure you triple check this to verify that your account number, routing number are all correct. I hereby certify under penalty of perjury under the laws of the United States that the above is true and correct. Yes, click yes, and then click next. And then over here, it's gonna take you to a page where you're gonna verify all of this information, your legal name, trade name, okay? Verify that all of this information is correct, and then do the CAPTCHA thing, and then submit your application, and Boom. There you have it, people. After you submit this application, they're going to give you a application number, application ID at the end. So make sure you screenshot that, take a picture of it, save it. All right, that's about it for the application. Like I told you, it was super quick and easy to do. Doesn't require a ton of information like the previous one that they had on their website. If you already filled out the previous one, I suggest you fill out this new one. Now make sure you do this as soon as possible because a lot of people are already jumping on this, and like I said, there's only a limited amount for this $10,000 grant. So make sure you jump on this as soon as possible. All right. Now we're at the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Stay home, you know, practice social distancing, and I will see you guys in our next video.